How many centimeter divisions are typically in a meter on a meter scale? A. 50. Born in 1000. C. 100. D. 10. The correct answer is C. 100. What role do radioisotopes play in medical diagnosis? A. They are used as disinfectants. B. They are used as tracers. C. They are used as anesthetics. D. They are used as coolants. The correct answer is B. They are used as tracers. What happens to synthetic polyester cloth when it comes into contact with fire? A. It immediately disintegrates into ash. B. It becomes rigid and stiff. C. It changes color and hardens. D. It melts and sticks to the body. The correct answer is D. It melts and sticks to the body. What phenomenon of sound are students expected to demonstrate? A. Refraction of sound. B. Reflection of sound. C. Diffraction of sound. D. Absorption of sound. The correct answer is B. Reflection of sound. What causes the persistence of sound due to repeated reflection? A. Diffraction. B. Absorption. C. Echo. D. Refraction. The correct answer is C. Echo. Which concept relates to the amount of heat energy required to change the temperature of a substance? A. Melting. B. Latent heat. C. Solidification. D. Thermal capacity. The correct answer is D. Thermal capacity. The deflection of the magnetic compass needle indicates the presence of what when current flows through a wire? A. A gravitational field. B. An electric field. C. A magnetic field. D. A sound wave. The correct answer is C. A magnetic field. How high is the column of mercury that exerts 1 atm of pressure? A. 100 centimeters. B. 76 centimeters. C. 1 centimeter. D. 10 centimeters. The correct answer is B. 76 centimeters. Which zone of the adrenal cortex secretes glucocorticoids? A. Zona glomerulosa. B. Zona fasciculata. C. The text does not specify. D. Zona reticularis. The correct answer is C. The text does not specify. Which branch of chemistry focuses on the preparation and study of drugs? A. Analytical chemistry. B. Pharmaceutical chemistry. C. Organic chemistry. D. Physical chemistry. The correct answer is B. Pharmaceutical chemistry. What is the term for the movement of elements from older dying leaves to younger leaves? A. Absorption. B. Transpiration. C. Assimilation. D. Remobilization. The correct answer is D. Remobilization. Which type of joint is referred to as a diarthrosis joint? A. Immovable joint. B. Fixed joint. C. Partially movable joint. D. Synovial joint. The correct answer is D. Synovial joint. What color does blue litmus paper turn in the presence of an acid? A. Red. B. Yellow. C. Green. D. Blue. The correct answer is A. Red. Can a cell used in a clock give an electric shock? A. No, because its voltage is too low. B. Yes, because it produces electricity. C. Yes, if it is wet. D. No, because it only produces current. The correct answer is A. No, because its voltage is too low. What is the role of RBCs in the body? A. Transporting respiratory gases. B. Storing nutrients. C. Producing hormones. D. Filtering waste from blood. The correct answer is A. Transporting respiratory gases. What is the period at which an organism attains sexual maturity called? A. Maturity. B. Puberty. C. Growth. D. Adolescence. The correct answer is B. Puberty. What is the molecular formula of compound A, which is a widely used preservative? A. C2H6O. B. CH2O2. C. C2H4O2. D. C3H6O. The correct answer is C. C2H4O2. What allows light to travel through an optical fiber with minimal energy loss? A. Its metallic core. B. Its thick insulation. C. The use of electrical current. D. The way it is placed inside the fiber. The correct answer is D. The way it is placed inside the fiber. What is a characteristic movement allowed by a hinge joint? A. Bending and straightening only. B. Rotation about a longitudinal axis. C. Movement in multiple planes. D. Greatest range of movement. The correct answer is A. Bending and straightening only. Which lens option describes a converging lens with a 10 cm focal length? A. A convex lens of focal length 5 cm. B. A concave lens of focal length 10 cm. C. A convex lens of focal length 10 cm. D. A concave lens of focal length 5 cm. The correct answer is C. A convex lens of focal length 10 cm. Which of the following is not a part of the outer solar system? A. Jupiter. B. Mercury. C. Neptune. D. Saturn. The correct answer is B. Mercury. What is the general nature of metal oxides formed when metals react with oxygen? A. Amphoteric. B. Neutral. C. Acidic. D. Basic. The correct answer is D. Basic. Which gas is explicitly linked to dry ice in the concept map? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Carbon dioxide. The correct answer is D. Carbon dioxide. According to the classification based on the amount of solute, what characteristic is limited? A. The amount of solute that can be dissolved. B. The type of chemical reaction. C. The amount of solvent available. D. The volume of the solution produced. The correct answer is A. The amount of solute that can be dissolved. Which two major raw materials are required for the preparation of soap? A. Fat and alkali. B. Sugar and yeast. C. Salt and alcohol. D. Water and acid. The correct answer is A. Fat and alkali. What is a diarthrosis joint also known as? A. Synovial joint. B. Fibrous joint. C. Fixed joint. D. Cartilaginous joint. The correct answer is A. Synovial joint. What did the scientist observe after placing a mint plant in a jar where a candle had burned and used up the substance for burning? A. The candle continued to burn when relit. B. The plant withered. C. The plant died immediately. D. The plant produced carbon dioxide. The correct answer is A. The candle continued to burn when relit. Which of the following is considered the most favorable option for waste disposal? A. Reduce. B. Refuse, avoid. C. Recycle. D. Reuse. The correct answer is B. Refuse, avoid. What chemical compound is referred to as nitre in the text? A. Sodium nitrite. B. Ammonium chloride. C. Potassium nitrate. D. Calcium carbonate. The correct answer is C. Potassium nitrate. Which petroleum product is commonly used as a fuel in houses and industry? A. Kerosene. B. Diesel. C. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. D. Petrol. The correct answer is C. Liquefied petroleum gas, LPG. How did you score?